and finding out is it suitable for your business is the key to the success. Every other actually fail because they're only there for the buzzword of a machine learning, and that's not good for a business. Then you have to make a plan, and when we talk about plan, you need to have several people on that meetings. I'll talk about like making a plan a little bit later. And you have the last one, it's collect data and define the data set. So that's really important. So you need to know which data to use in order to develop in the future like different models. And you need to define the data set. So if you don't have data, you cannot do machine learning modeling or anything. So the first phase is always collecting the data. So you should also choose wisely which data to use. And after that, of course, to choose different models for that. So when we talk about making a plan, so it's really crucial that you work side by side with a machine learning team or a company, because you can also implement machine learning team in your company. So in the future, every company will need a machine learning team. So if you're not having a machine learning team, then you are not doing innovation, because the traditional ways of business will die. That's a normal recession that will go down. It's a normal like how it was like 50 years ago and so on. So in that meeting, you need to have a person who knows the most about your business. So the core principles and everything, who understands all of your businesses. Then you need to have a data engineer who develop a different systems for your company. And of course, you need to have a technical person from machine learning or artificial intelligence. Why? Because developers and machine learning engineers are not the same. They're totally different. And machine learning expert has also consulting skills, and also he has a domain knowledge for machine learning and statistics and so on. Typical developer does not have that kind of knowledge. So you have at least like 5 to 7 hours meeting in order to make a proper plan with the deadlines and everything, and that's really important for the success of a machine learning project. If you don't have that, there is a huge possibility, more than 80%, that that actual project will fail. So that's the difference between the really good one, the successful one, and the ones who are failing. Then when we talk about defining the data set, it's really important to define the data set and to choose wisely your data. So the first phase, like you need probably to clean your data. In the future, like in 5 years to go, probably machines will do that part of the job. But for the machine learning experts, they will still need to choose the proper models and to evaluate that models. Okay, when we talk about level 2, so it's a machine learning due diligence. So this is the core of a machine learning actually. So you have a machine learning model evaluation. So after defining a data set and collecting the data, so for example, you have 2 years of data for something, and then you need to choose the models. On every actual project, you will have 3 models that you will test it. And then after the testing and performance and evaluation, you will choose the one who is actually giving you the best performance. And after that, we will deliver a machine learning large solution in 3 months. Why 3 months? Because 3 months is not a period of time that the company will suffer. So you will resolve a small problem the company has. So the problem that is huge for them, but it's not something that you cannot do in